Okay, I have questions. I had to clean out the plug on my chainsaw. This dates back to the 70s or early 80s. And I've always run it on the recommended 16 to 1 chainsaw only. I keep this set aside for this old Skil saw made in Canada. I had a hard time starting it just now. I think this fuel might be bad. So I put my 50 to 1 in it. Is it safe to use with today's technology and the oils? Is it safe to use the 50 to 1 in this old Skil chainsaw? I don't want to buy another chainsaw for something I use like every 2 years. I don't use a chainsaw. I don't need it that often. I'm 71. I got to cut my next door neighbor's tree because it's going to fall on my shed. He can't afford to do it. So I got to cut some of the dead limbs off. So for 2 days I couldn't get it to start, which is usual for the saw. When I need it, it takes me 2 days to get it up and run it again. So I took the recoil off. I put a drill. I took the plug out. I took the recoil off because you got to take the recoil off to get the plug out. So I did that. Took the plug out, cleaned it up. I tightened the gap a little bit. I put it against there. I put the drill on it. I got spark. So I put the plug back in. I fired it with the drill without putting the recoil on because I don't want to, believe me, this is hard to start. So I got it warmed up with the drill and then I put the recoil back on. So my question is, should I risk wrecking this ancient saw with 50 to 1 or should I just keep on using the 16 to 1? Because I think the 16 to 1 gas might be bad and I hate to throw away. What is it, a gallon? It's full. So I don't know if I should throw it away or what. I sharpened the chain last time I used it, so I was going to sharpen it again. I see I don't need it. It's pretty damn sharp. So what are your opinions? Should I try running it on the 16 to 1, make a new batch of 16 to 1, throw this away, maybe put it in the Blue Beast in the truck to burn it off, and make another 16 to 1 mix? Or should I just try to use it for this 1 day on a 51? I hate to wreck the saw, score the piston, and not using the mix that's recommended for this manufacturer. But this was in the 70s. I got this as a birthday or present or something from my parents back when I was in my 20s. I'm 71 now. I still have it. It still runs. So let me know in the comments, what should I use?